Welcome back to my quarantine kitchen where we make the best out of what we have at hand. Today we're making traditional Yorkshire puddings, the classic accompaniment to roast beef. To make this we will need plain flour, you'll see the specific amounts later, fresh eggs and milk. I'm using long life milk as that's all I had available. We are in a quarantine kitchen, remember? So that's everything we're going to need to make these wonderful Yorkshire puddings. So first of all, I'd better wash my hands. Nice and clean. Now my hands are clean, let's get on with this simple recipe. It's just equal amounts of each ingredient, so 1 cup of plain flour. Then we go in with 1 cup of whole eggs. And finally, 1 cup of milk. Now that all the ingredients are in, we give it a good whisking until the mixture has the consistency of single cream, or light cream as I believe you call it in the States. Once it's beautifully whisked, allow to stand for at least an hour. Now that we've made the batter, we must prepare the tin. Using a standard muffin tin, add a teaspoon of sunflower oil to the base of each dish. Then place the tray inside a preheated oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 420 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes so the oil is ferociously hot. When you've taken the tray back out, we need to work really fast because we don't want it to cool down. With the batter, fill up the dishes until just below the lip. You should hear a sizzling noise as you pour the mixture. Once you've filled up the dishes, put the tray straight back into the oven and reduce to 200 degrees C or 390 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Do not open the oven until the time is up, your puddings will collapse. And finally, here you have absolutely amazing Yorkshire puddings, ideally served with great British roast beef. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please let me know what you'd like me to cook next. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time in my quarantine kitchen.